Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install, and after that wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that just click here to open the app and tap to yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now here we can see the section with the information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 32 and 9 degrees. Also here we have just another information about our device battery, like the health, capacity level, and more other info like the Android version, the device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.